Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the field of view in Mouse PI for Hire. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, make sure to navigate to the graphics section. Here you can change the field of view. By the default, it is set to 105. You can select any value on the gauge from as low as 70 to as high as 120. I'll go back to the default of 105. But once you make your choice, you can hit apply. Then, only after that, close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.